It's Katie.
It's Tatum.
And welcome back to our
channel.
Today's video, we already started eating because it's just good. In the last video, we said we were going to do a mukbang, but literally it wasn't a mukbang at all. So I'm actually going to do one and talk about stuff. So, we got peanut butter jelly.
Butter and jelly.
Butter and jelly, Portuguese sausage, and then bacon. So I'm going to eat some sausage.
That's the first time ever trying it.
It's really good. Oh, and we also have fruit punch soda. We're having to play it because I'm in her apartment right now.
The pool video didn't upload.
The first one, but we're still uploading the second one.
We still could upload the first one.
I uploaded it.
I can redo it.
No, I already uploaded the first one. You got more than me.
Yeah, and this is your bacon.
I'll find something on. We had so much fun in the pool, so.
I want to go again.
Yeah. So, I don't think we showed you this, but that colorful brick thingy, and ow, I just poked my eye. There was this little waterfall there, but there's a little dip in the waterfall. So we were climbing on the jacuzzi stairs, and then we went onto that little bridge thingy, and then we jumped in, and it was so cold. But then we stayed in for the jacuzzi for 30 minutes, and
with the bubbles on.
Yeah, and then we went into the pool. I couldn't breathe. It was so cold. And I went the 4 feet part.
I went in the middle of it.
I'm not a good swimmer.
We did not want to jump in the 5 one because the 5 one was the coldest one. We didn't feel that one.
But we did TikToks to go check them out.
But yeah, we did go on every part but the 5 feet. And our pool is not a human pool.
Did you lie about asking her?
Huh? No, I actually went to ask her. I opened the door. She looked at me. I was like, she said, hi. I said, hi, is the pool heated? She said, no, I'm sorry. I'm like, how's the pool not going to be heated? It's spring. And the pool's cold. And then in the summer, if it's cold, this is the worst complex I've ever been at.
Well, it's very beautiful.
Sometimes. If it's not raining. When it's raining, it looks ugly.
No, it's still pretty. Not pretty, but
Pretty. I mean pretty.
pretty ugly.
I'm sorry for all the background noises.
Her TV's on. I'm not even my mouth closed in her TV.
This is good. Food, because we're hungry.
We're playing Roblox.
Yeah, it's so fun.
If you're in our game, then you should comment. We usually play Flee the Facility. I'm a level 31.
I'm on 2 because
you had to make a new account.
On my old account, I was at 31.
What was your old account called?
Girl 200. Girl 892. But I forgot the password.
Was it Taylor Marley?
Rat pose.
Good.
Okay.
I was actually eating because last one we just ate one thing, and then we just it was over. I'll clean it up. I'm a messy eater.
Katie has the messiest set ever saw.
Hey, look it. Okay, I balanced it on this, but look at my mess. And look at hers. It's clean. As you can tell, I'm a pig.
I can tell on the slow ear.
Pig eater.
Ask us questions, guys.
Yeah, like we said in the last video. We have 1 subscriber.
Well, not the last video.
Yeah?
Because the
And the
last
pool-
video was the pool, but it didn't upload.
Yeah, I did. The first one did.
No, it didn't.
Oh, yeah. We could just re-upload it.
I already said that, and you said, I just so much TikTok, and it was so beautiful.
You're making me crazy, girl. Look at your plate. Look at my plate. That's totally not my plate. Let me clean up all the crumbs. Half our pinky chickadees.
I barely used my thing.
What's my share phone over here? You're making me crazy. Hold up. The reason I don't post on this while I'm like regular with myself is because I can't log in with my phone. You're making me crazy, girl. Oh yeah, that's better. Ready? Port Alexis, Texas, aloha.
Wait, Alexis text.
No, it's Port Alexis, Texas. Where's Alexis, Texas? Okay, I don't care. Ow! This is hard. When I first came here, I sat on this hard part, and the hard part went up my butt.
It is, hold on guys, 4:04. Hold on. 4:04. 29 seconds until it's 4:05.
I have the Galaxy.
Did you check mine?
No, I have mine. Yours is on there, but I lose it because what if you knocked it over and then?
Okay. We're eating these chocolates.
This is a full-on mukbang.
I know. That's why I brought more food because it's a mukbang. You're making me crazy.
Mine's next to your mermaid. Take selfies picture.
What?
Mine's next to your mermaid. Takes selfies pictures. She has this really cute marshmallow, like cow thing. It's so soft, it's like a squishy. This is like a little room tour. And then she has this. And then she has this squishy. It's like, I don't know what this is, a llama corn. Thumbnail. We know.
That's the thumbnail of the mukbang.
Yeah. Ready? Thumbnail. Okay.
I think it's gonna be either the toast or the bacon.
It's worth the usually doesn't pick that thumbnail.
But YouTube takes the ugliest thumbnail.
Like if I was like this, it's probably gonna pick that.
But probably did.
Yeah. It like does the
Because
ugly faces.
in our funny video, they got a thumbnail of us doing this.
That's gonna be the thumbnail. I bet you.
Oh!
Why should I have done that?
Guys, please don't be the thumbnail.
Please YouTube. Are you done vacuuming?
Oh my god. My dad just ruined the video, guys.
So if you can hear background music, her dad's vacuuming. No, we're not siblings. We're best friends.
I'm eating too much chocolate. I don't care.
It's Saturday, March 12th. Oh, tomorrow's the anniversary of my grandma's death.
See what I just said. Tomorrow's the anniversary of my grandma's death. Wait, no, today is my PE teacher's anniversary.
You got married?
Yeah, he got married.
And I said, you
at
guys
the
married?
casino. I was like, the casino.
Ow, you whipped me.
And I said, y'all watch me whip. Y'all watch me do this. Guys, I don't want to make crumbs in my
I just want.
What?
It was ASMR. I always think with my mouth closed.
No, I just did that because you just said ASMR.
Sometimes I eat with my mouth open because I'm talking or it's sticky. Sticky stuff, I do this. In our videos, I'm trying not to make ugly faces because I know YouTube picks ugly ones. And I just look ugly right there, so. Like in my YouTube channel, I got the ugliest thumbnails. Someone likes your video on YouTube.
TikTok.
I mean TikTok.
My likes get like, I got so much likes.
Watch, ready? Okay. I'm gonna do a loop.
But they can see you through the mirror.
Okay, watch, ready? I'm gonna do a loop. That was a perfect loop, wasn't it?
They just saw you through the mirror.
No,
Like,
they
I was like this.
Wait, like if I went like this?
Yeah.
Wait.
When you kept that movie.
Oh.
Ah. Failure. I'm gonna do a loop, guys. I'm gonna do a loop.
If you wanted, there's some Trader Joe's. They're called Cocoa Batten Waffle Cookies. Wafer cookies.
I'm gonna do a loop, guys. Ready?
I saw you in the mirror. That wasn't a loop because you had to say, I'm gonna do a loop, guys. You have to repeat your the two loops together. Ready?
Okay. Now I'm gonna pretend I'm doing this song.
Okay, ready? Come over here.
Guys, we're gonna do a loop. Oh, they saw your hair.